This animal means death in Madagascar. One look at this creature and people believe death follows. The eye is considered a harbinger of death in this island. When night falls in Madagascar and the forest goes silent, something watches from the trees. It is not a monster. It is not a ghost. It is a nocturnal lemur feared more than predators. The eye hunts in total darkness. It taps on trees, slow, deliberate, listening. Tap, tap, tap. When it finds a hollow sound, it tears the bark apart and slices out insects using a long bone-like finger. To those who see it, that finger doesn't look natural. It looks like a death mark. In many villages, people freeze when they hear its name. They believe if the eye points at you, someone will die. If it appears near a home, misfortune is already on its way. Some say sickness follows. Others say funerals do. That is why it is hunted, killed, sometimes displayed outside villages to chase away the curse. It is not because it attacks, but because it is believed to carry death with it. So when you hear tapping in the dark, you ask yourself, is this animal just feeding or is it death knocking? My name is Mazi Ugo. Thanks for watching.